Hi YouTube, it's your girl Kobe and I am back with another makeup video. You guys, I'm so excited to show y'all how I achieved this look because I don't know, I feel like it's so festive. I was feeling very just in the spirit, in the mood for something very Christmassy, very holiday inspired, very sparkly. So you know, if you're going to a Christmas party, if you have just a gathering with your family, this look, it's gonna elevate you to that level you wanna go to, guaranteed. Also, while we're here, while we're just chit-chatting, you know, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to tell all your friends, all your family, all your co-workers, all that good stuff about me. Tell them to come on over, join the party. It's gonna be a damn good time and we're gonna have an awesome time. So, if you wanna see how I achieved this bomb look, then keep on watching. It's coming to you. Peace. Mops just wanna, you know, stick up everywhere. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get right into that. Moving right along with moisturizer, I'm going to moisturize my face, starting off with my Clinique gel. Then after that, I'm gonna use my Pericone moisturizer, and it also has SPF in it. That's what I mainly use it for because it's super important to protect our skin from the sun. Then I'm going to follow that with my Dr. Brandt eye gel. Then it's time for primers. I use two primers. I start off with my Fenty Beauty primer and I use it all over my face. Then I use my Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector only in the center of my face because that's where the party likes to happen when it comes to oil. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm using my Benefit Brow Pomade in the number 5. At first, I really didn't like this color. Like, I really thought I needed number 4. But the more I use it, like, I've fallen in love with it. And I can't even imagine myself using any other color. I also have to accept that my brows are supposed to be sisters and not twins. Because some days, I just don't know. They just do their own thing and I just go with the flow. But to clean up my brows, I'm going to use my P. Louise base. It's in the number 4. And I'm going to also prime my lids as well. And just to buff in that base, I'm going to use a fluffy brush because I want a nice and smooth canvas for when I apply eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Festival palette. Y'all, I'm so in love with this palette. Like, it's no fallout. It's super pigmented. And it's with every palette that you get from Juvia's Place. Like, it's legit. I'm using that deep, dark red maroon color in my crease. And I'm sure not to bring it all the way into my inner corner. I want to leave that blank. And it's just to blend out any harsh lines and edges. I'm using that peach color. After that, I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette and place a brick red, like rosy color, if that makes sense. It's somewhere in that family to my lid. And then I'm going to deepen up my outer V with a deep chocolate color from that Morphe palette. And then I'm going back to the Festival palette and I'm going to use that same peach color and focus that on the inner part of my lid. Then on my bottom lash line, I'm just going to mimic what I did for the top of my eyes. So I'm going in the outer corner with that maroon deep red cranberry color. Then I'm using that peach on the inner corner and to soften up any harsh lines as well. And as you see, you guys, I have to do my happy dance because that's how much I'm really feeling the look so far. And just because I want it to be extra and add some sparkle and shine to my eyes in some type of way, I'm using the Beauty Bakery Sprinkles. It's the gold glitter and my Lit Cosmetics adhesive. Then I'm going to do a quick liner. Honestly, it's not that quick. I really have to just stop, say a prayer, and hope for the best when it comes to my eyeliner. Thankfully, today it turned out great. And I went ahead and put on some mascara and chapstick because your girl lips was super dry and it wasn't cute. Then I'm using my Angel Lashes in the style Hawaii. The lashes are bomb. That's all I got to say. Angel Lashes, they're bomb. For foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty awesome foundation. I haven't used it in so long, and every time I pick it up after a while, I just be like, girl, what is you thinking? Why have you not been using this? I fall in love all over again every time I use it. Then for concealer, I'm starting off with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. This is to really even out my complexion. So I'm covering dark circles. If I have any redness, I want all of that to be one even color. For my contour, I'm using my Fenty Beauty matte match stick. And right here when I'm contouring my lips, I don't have it on film of me blending it out, but I did take a small fluffy brush and blend out that contour of my lips. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on concealer. And this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. And y'all, when it says all nighter, like it's not joking, it's waterproof, sweat proof, and it's hater proof. And I love it for that. It's phenomenal. And I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. Some days I prefer a sponge, some days I prefer a brush. It just depends on the mood that I'm in. After that, I'm blending in my contour. Once I'm done blending in that contour, I'm just going to set my under eye area with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I really press the powder into my skin. I don't bake underneath my eyes. I find that it's way too dry afterwards. Then to set my contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. It's in the color Tan to Deep. It's an amazing palette. I use it faithfully every day, and I still haven't hit pan. And I've had it for almost a year. Then I'm going to also use that top middle shade to contour my nose very lightly. And, you know, I want to clean up my contour just because I want my face to look super snatched. I want it to be snatched for the gods. After I place my lighter setting powder everywhere, I go in with the same Laura Mercier setting powder, just in the medium to deep color, and wipe off any extra powder or anything. And to just tone down all the powder that I put on, I spritz my face with my Mario Badescu water, and I go right into highlighter, my favorite part of my makeup application. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream palette. Y'all, oh my God. It's so amazing. Like, this palette, I feel like was made for me. The inner unicorn in me, because I love going crazy and just, you know, out of the box when it comes to my highlighters, and that palette definitely do the job for me. And just because I want a little extra shine, I'm going in with my loose powder highlighter from MAC. It's in the color Golden Bronze. It's phenomenal as well. Then for blush, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio in the color Cocktail Party. And I just use all the colors in there. It gives me the perfect flush of color. Setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Putting some mascara on my bottom lashes and setting my brows with my Benefit Brow Gel. For my lips, I'm going in with this deep, beautiful maroon color from NYX as my lip liner. And from Too Faced, it's a nice pink color. It's their Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I love the lipstick, first of all. It's so great and so just comfortable on the lips. And I feel like it pairs very well with that lip liner. It gives me a nice ombre look. And it's just what I'm looking for. Then, y'all, because I'm so extra, and because, you know, it's the holidays, I gotta go ahead and just do the most. So I'm putting on a few bottom lashes, just 2 on each eye, just to give it a little woom woom. And that's the look, you guys. That completes it. Thank y'all so much for sticking with me through this video. Remember, self-love is the best love. Until next time, peace.